Hello students, how's it going? Hope you all are good. So in the previous class we were discussing about the lesson Clever Birbal and Akbar, who was the emperor who had many questions to Birbal. And the question number 1, what is the difference between truth and lie? And it is the difference between two sense organs, that is the eyes and ears. That answer was told by Birbal, and Birbal was very clever. And the second question, what travels faster than light? That was the question number 2, and the answer was thought, the thought of human beings, that will travel faster than anything than the light. And the question number 3, this will walk in 4 legs in the morning, this will walk in 2 legs in the afternoon, and this will walk in the 3 legs at dusk. That means the evening time. And the answer was man. The 3 stages, that is baby, adult and the old man. So these are the 3 answers for question number 3. And today, now we are going to continue the lesson, that is the question number 4. And what was question number 4? Who shows his tongue to everyone yet does not mean offense? Who shows his tongue to everyone yet does not mean offense? This will show always its tongue, but it does not mean any offense. What is the meaning of the word offense? Have you heard that word offense? Offense means to hurt others' feelings. Offense means to hurt others' feelings, to hurt the feelings of others. So this will show its tongue all the time, but it does not mean any offense. That means it does not mean to make others feel. So the answer is dog. That answer was told by Birbal to Akbar. And question number 4. This was the 4th question of Akbar to Birbal. And he answered well. That is dog. We all seen dog everywhere, isn't it? Yes, then all the time the dog shows his tongue. Mostly the tongue of the dog will be outside most of the time, isn't it? Okay, then question number 5. Define heaven and hell. Define heaven and hell. And that was the 5th question of Akbar to Birbal. Then for this question also Birbal answered very well. He explained, a heart in which love dwells is heaven. A heart in which hatred dwells is hell. I repeat, a heart in which love dwells is heaven. A heart in which hatred dwells is hell. So what do you mean by this dwells? Dwells. Have you heard that word dwells? Dwells. D-W-E-L-L-S. Dwells. So underline the word dwells. Dwells means lives. Then have you heard this word hatred? Hatred means dislike. Okay, so the answer that the Birbal gave to question number 5 was define heaven and hell. And a heart in which love dwells is heaven. That means we all have heart, isn't it? Yes, so a heart in which love dwells is heaven. So whose heart is filled with love? Whose heart is filled with love dwells in heaven. So that person will live in the heaven. So whose heart is filled with love? That is heaven. And what is hell? A heart in which hatred dwells is hell. So whose heart is filled with dislike? Whose heart is filled with dislike? That is hell. So dwells means lives. That is, okay, I repeat, define heaven and hell. A heart in which love dwells is heaven. A heart in which hatred dwells is hell. That was quick, Birbal. Now tell me, what is it that goes from one place to another and yet stays at the same place? So here the 6th question. This is the 6th question that the Akbar had. And he asked this question to Birbal. And what was the question? What is that goes from one place to another and yet stays at one place. So, what is it that goes from one place to another all the time? This will goes to one place to another all the time, but at the same time this will stays at one particular place. And what's the answer? Yes, and Birbal answered, it's road. It's road. We can see road and always vehicles will go this way, this or that way all the time, isn't it? Yes, but the road is still there. So, the answer for question number 6 is road. And now all of you watch this video.
എന്താണ് ഒരു ചോദ്യം ചോദിക്കാം? അത്രയ്ക്ക് ബുദ്ധിയുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഉത്തരം പറ. എന്താ പേടിയാ?
ചോദിക്കടാ. റയാൻ ഉത്തരം പറയും.
ഈ വര മായ്ക്കാതെ ചെറുതാക്കണം. എങ്ങനെ?
And this was question number 7 that Akbar asked Birbal. And this is one of the famous movie named as Mangi Pen. And what's the question? Question number 7. You will have to shorten the line without touching it or rubbing off its end. What you have to do? Yes, there is you can see here a line. You have to make this line shorten. But you can't touch this line or you can't rub this line. But you have to shorten this line. And how can we shorten this line? This question was asked to Birbal by Akbar. And we all know that Akbar always used to ask many questions to Birbal. But Birbal was very intelligent person. And he solved this answer quickly. So, did you have any idea? Can you try? I repeat the question. Here you can see a line. You have to make this line shorten. You have to shorten this line. But you can't rub this line or you can't touch this line. Then how can we make this line shorten? That's the question. And what did the Birbal do? Yes, he drew a large line here. Then now it becomes shortened. That's the answer for this question. It's very easy, right? These are the 7 questions that Akbar had. And Birbal was an intelligent person. He answered all the 7 questions in a good manner. And at the end of the story, page number 19, Akbar was mighty pleased and applauded Birbal in front of his court. So what is the meaning of the word applauded? Applauded means praise. All the people in that court, all the courtiers, ministers, all of them praised Birbal for his intelligence, his witty, everything. Thus the story ends here. So let's have a quick recap of the 7 questions that Akbar had. And the first one is,
what is the difference between truth and lie? It is the difference between 2 sense organs, that is the eyes and the ears. What we see with our eyes are true, but what we hear with our ears are false. And the second question, what travels faster than light? And it's thought of human beings. And the third question, what walks 4 legs in morning, 2 legs in afternoon and 3 legs in evening? And the answer was man. And the 3 stages of man, that is baby, adult and old man. Question number 4, who shows his tongue to everyone yet does not mean offense? Yes, it's dog. We all have seen dogs whose tongue is always outside their mouth. So the answer is dog. Now question number 5. Define heaven and hell. A heart in which love dwells is heaven, and a heart in which hatred dwells is hell. Question number 6. What is it goes from one place to another and yet stays at one place? And the answer is road. Now question number 7. You have to shorten the line without touching it or rubbing off its ends. You have to shorten the line. Birbal drew another large line under that short line. Thus, the line is now shorter.
So, hope you all understood the story. So, that's all for today. Thank you.